I imagine how much this journey will improve me, I can now proudly say that I finally found the answer to the question I was once asked on stage. This moment, this achievement, is the fulfillment of that answer. Throughout my reign as Miss BCT 2024, I have learned that winning isn't about wearing a crown, but about carrying your purpose. It's about using your voice to inspire and to make a difference, no matter how small. Proving that my silence is not a weakness, but the greatest strength that keeps me calm, grounded, and quietly confident. To my fellow candidates, always remember that your worth is not measured by a crown, but by the courage in your heart and the kindness you show to others. Each one of you has the power to shine in your own way. Never dim that light. To my family and friends, thank you for believing in me even when I doubt myself. To our school administrators, faculty, and everyone who guided and captured our pageant moments, thank you for the trust and joy you have given me. This experience will forever be one of the highlights of my life. To the next queen, congratulations. Treasure this moment, stay humble, and let your heart shine brighter than your crown. Above all, thank you, God. I lift everything up to glorify and honor you. As I take my final walk, I do so with pride, praise, and endless gratitude. This may be the end of my reign, but it is not the end of my story. I will continue to carry the lessons, memories, and love I have received to the next chapter. Thank you. And may we all continue to walk with purpose, confidence, and heart. Once